How to fix a Star Citizen 5007 error code? An error has occurred during the installation process. Hello friends, when trying to download or install the Star Citizen game, you might get this error code. Follow the steps to fix it. The first method is change DNS server addresses. For this, click on search, type ncpa.cpl, click on the result, right click on the network adapter. The running network adapter will show green signal mark. Right click on that and select properties. Select the option Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Click on properties. Check this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. For preferred DNS server, type 8888. For alternate DNS server, type 8844. These are Google DNS server addresses. Click on OK. Click on Close and close the network connections window. Then restart your computer and then check if the error code doesn't appear. If the error code still appears, then flush DNS and reset network. To do this, click on search, type CMD. For command prompt, click on run as administrator. Go to the video description to find the commands to flush DNS and reset network. These commands will perform the tasks. Copy the first line of command, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Copy the second line, paste, hit enter. In the same way, run all these commands and then close the command prompt. Then restart your computer and try to play the Star Citizen game. Some users report that only turning off a Smart Control app in security settings fixes this error code. So click on Start, go to Settings, click on Privacy and Security, click on Windows Security, select App and Browser Control. Here is Smart App Control. Click on the link Smart App Control Settings. Currently this is turned on. Select Off. User account control will appear. Select Yes on the pop-up and then try to install the game. The next method is create a RSI folder in C drive or program files. Click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to this PC. Open the C drive. Here make a folder named RSI. Right click on an empty location. Hover over New and select folder. Name this folder RSI. You can also create the same folder in program files. Alternatively, we will install the RSI launcher in this folder. Now minimize the file explorer. After that, launch a browser and go to robertspaceindustriescom. This website. Once you are on robertspaceindustriescom, click on Fly for free and click on Download Launcher. Let the downloading complete. Once completed, click on the setup file. Click on I agree. On this window, click on Browse. Then expand this PC, expand C drive, and select RSI. Click on OK and click on Install. Click on Finish. Once RSI launcher is on the screen, log into your account using your email ID and password. Go to your email account and enter the authentication code here. Once RSI launcher is installed, click on install game. Select game settings over here. Click on game library and select manage game libraries. Change the location. Change the location to newly created RSI folder. Go to downloads and here select 5. Set the download speed limit to 10. Now you have to disable IPv6. Click on search. Type ncpa.cpl. Click on the result. Right click on the adapter. Select properties. Uncheck the option Internet Protocol version 6 TCP IPv6 and click on OK. The next step is modify registry. For this, click on search, type cmd. For command prompt, click on run as administrator, select yes. Now go to the video description to get a command. You will get this command in the video description. Copy the command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. The output should be the operation completed successfully. Once completed, close the command prompt, close other running tasks and restart your computer. Now try to download and install the game. Back to the home page of RSI launcher and click on install game. Click on install and wait for the installation to complete. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.